Home Remedies presents Home Remedy to get rid of mucus and phlegm in your lungs. Phlegm is that thick, sticky stuff that hangs around in the back of your throat when you are sick. In today's video, I will share with you a simple homemade remedy to remove excess phlegm and mucus from your body. Ingredients: sesame seeds 1 tablespoon, rock sugar 1 tablespoon, water 200 ml. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Procedure: boil 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of rock sugar in a 200 ml water on low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain the liquid, let it cool and drink lukewarm 3 times in a day. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.